Right now, the edges of our project are very sharp, so sharp that they can actually cut you. Now, because they're sharp, they're also prone to chipping. So let's say I'm putting a book on this shelf and I bump the edge, it could feasibly chip off the finish and it would just look really bad. Now, on my project, I do want to maintain this sharp looking edge, but I don't want the edge to actually be sharp. So what I've done is I've taken a chunk of 2x4 and I've taken a belt that goes on a belt sander, and I'm going to do that at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just going to lightly make some circles over that edge. Now this is going to break that edge or put just a small radius on that edge. After I do that, I'm going to come back with 100 grit sandpaper and just lightly sand on that. If you sand too much, it might get too much of a radius, so you just want to keep light pressure. And that's about all it takes. I have a nice smooth, rounded edge, but it still looks square.